Hello my dear kids, welcome back to our English class of Standard 1, and this is video 2 of the poem The Swing. So today we are going to recite the poem and I will explain the poem also. Okay my dear children, so go and take out your book, English course book. So Chapter 6, the poem The Swing. The Swing poem is written by R.L. Stevenson. R.L. Stevenson, that is Robert Louis Stevenson, is the poet of this poem The Swing. Okay. Now today, as I told you, I am going to recite the poem and I will explain you. So let's start. And what you will do, my dear children? You will point each word with your fingers as I will proceed. As I will read, you will put your fingers on each word. Okay? So all are ready? Let's start. How do you like to go up in a swing? Up in the air so blue? Oh, I do think it is the pleasantest thing ever a child can do. So, in this poem, The Swing, in this first stanza, in these two lines, the poet, that is R.L. Stevenson, the poet is asking a question. He asked a question that, do you like to go up in a swing? Do you like to play on a swing? Up in the air, so blue? Now here, my dear children, air is not blue. Air cannot, there is no color. Air has no color. So, here the poet is saying that do you like to play on a swing? Do you like to go up on a swing? And here, when we go up on a swing, we feel that we are flying in the sky. And the sky is blue. So here the poet is saying, up in the air so blue. The blue here, it refers to the blue sky. We feel now as if we are flying in the sky when we go up high and high on the swing. Oh, I do think it is the pleasantest thing ever a child can do. Now see my dear children, here pleasantest means very enjoyable, the feeling of happiness. Now, we all love to swing and we know that, yes, it is the most enjoyable thing for a child. When we play on a swing, we enjoy playing on a swing, isn't it? We enjoy going up high and high in the blue sky, as it seems we feel as we are flying in the sky. Up in the air and over the wall, till I can see so wide, river and trees and cattle and all, over the countryside. Now, when we go up and up, high and high in the sky while swinging, we can see everything, isn't it? We can see everything from there. Beyond the wall, everything is visible. We can see the rivers, the trees, cattle and everything over the countryside. Here countryside means the land outside the town. Now the swing is in a garden now, and when we go up high and high, we can see everything outside that town and city. So over the countryside, we can see everything over the countryside. Till I look down on the garden green, down on the roof so brown, up in the air I go flying again, up in the air and down. Now my dear children, when we go up and up on the swing, we will come down also, na? And when we come down, what we see? We see the green grasses of that garden where the swing is, where we are playing on the swing, where the swing is fixed. We can see the green grasses of that garden. We can also, as we come down, we can also see the roof of the houses. Yes, they are brown in color, the brown roofs of the houses. Up in the air, I go flying again, up in the air and down. Yes, we enjoy playing on the swing, going up and down again and again. We all enjoy playing on the swing in this way, going up and down again and again. So here the child is enjoying playing on the swing as the poet, and I think all of you also enjoy in the same way when you go up on the swing and come down, isn't it? So today we have completed this poem, The Swing.